Hey guys, it's UFO Man. Check out this footage of an orb UFO passing a plane over a Brazilian air show, decelerating and then flying back the other direction towards the plane. This was filmed on 4/20/2019, just released to the public, so check it out. Here's the original footage with the original audio.
Ele é mais sabe?
Você tá brincando? É estrela isso aqui?
I hope these stills will give you a better view of the object. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for watching.